at a 50th of a second. Hey guys, Justin here from The Camera Life. This is day 16, 17? I don't know, I'll put it on the screen. Day 16 or 17 of my 30-day photography challenge, where every day I'm getting out, taking some photos for myself and posting them here in a video and on my Instagram, unedited JPEGs, to try and push myself and push my personal photography. So today it's rainy and overcast, and I was struggling to figure out what I would do, and I thought a good theme for today might be to try and find some angles of my town that I haven't found before by getting up high. So I'm going to try and find some elevated spots, car parks and things like that, to see if I can get some shots with a telephoto lens. I've got the 7200 2.8 on the R3. Try and get some telephoto shots of Bendigo and the skyline from some elevated spots. Now, unfortunately, my first stop was going to be this tower, but it's closed, which I probably should have known, but anyway, here we are. So I'm up on a hill, the top end of town. I'm going to go for a little wander, see if we can find any decent angles from up here before I move on to the next spot. Let's do it. Oh yeah, here we go. This is exactly the sort of thing I was thinking. So, like usual, I'm shooting JPEGs. Turn my stabilizer on, sorry, that's why it was so shaky. Shooting JPEGs. Try and get the framing of this right. And what is going to come up on the screen in this video are unedited JPEGs. I'm adjusting my color temperature manually. The light's been changing a lot today. As you can see, there's some creepy clouds going on in the background. Look at the sun's hitting this building. Maybe we should be shooting in black and white for this one. Flag. Not a lot of access to the skyline from the park because of all the trees. I wonder if we can do something with the old dirty satellite dishes over there. I need a longer lens probably, but let's have a look anyway. What do you think? Include these buildings? Like stop it down to F9 and include the foreground buildings like this? Or just the sky and the dishes like this. Let me know in the comments which one of those is cooler. Or if you hate both of them, let me know that too. Head back to the van and move on to another spot. It's easy to find the van. The rain's just picked up, which is why I've got the lens hood on the 70-200. I'm gonna see if I can find a spot at one of our multi-story car parks where I can shoot out of the levels with a little bit of cover, so I'm not standing out in the rain the whole time. Just spotted this laneway. I don't know if I'll be able to make something of it. Alright, at a 50th of a second. Alright, All right, we are on level 7, but because the rain set in, we've lost a lot of the definition in the sky, and everything's a little bit fuzzy. Camera's a little wet, but it can handle it. I like that. Wipe off the screen so you guys can see better. Starting to clear up a little bit. There's some blue down there. Let's go look over this side. It opens up to the roof. And up there is the tower that I wanted to climb. Whatever's coming out of down here smells delicious. These birds have been sheltering. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's very bright, so sorry if you're not seeing it. Let's try that. That's cool. Have a look over here. Can't believe this sun's out. It was raining a lot before. More pigeons. Maybe we can do with the cathedral? No. No. Kind of feel like a 300mm would be pretty nice. The 70 to 200 is just leaving me wanting a bit more. I'm really enjoying the birds. Sorry if you guys aren't seeing very well. I'll tilt it up a bit. It's just hard for me to see with the sun. I just need these birds to take off. Get the pulpit head. I think this will be my last shot of today. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Get out in your city, explore, get up on some roofs, see what you can find, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.